Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your Android camera like iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To transform your Android camera to resemble an iPhone camera, follow these steps. Firstly, begin by launching the Google Play Store on your Android device. And the search bar at the top, enter camera iPhone 15 and press the magnifying glass icon to initiate the search. From the search results, choose to tap Appropriate App and tap Install. Then wait for the installation process to finish. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it and choose to tap Start. You might be asked to choose a language. You can either choose your preferred language or continue with the default setting. Click the check mark at the top right corner, then choose while using the app. When prompted for permissions, unclick Allow. This app provides an iPhone-like camera interface on Android, while it doesn't completely mirror every feature of an actual iPhone camera. It does offer similar functionalities. Future updates from the developers may further enhance its resemblance to an iPhone camera. And that's how you can make your Android camera look like an iPhone camera. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.